on Telegram? Oh, okay, okay, okay. I'm sorry, I didn't check that. I'll check it. Yeah.
I can do. Give me a minute. One minute.
Just a second, I have to close the door. So much noise happening.
Just a minute. It is loading. Then I'll share the screen.
Hello. Hello.
And there are some few people only practicing, other one not practicing.
I think Ram, the problem here is you have posted the cheat sheet on the second group, right? The group with the less numbers.
There is the one channel, and every day whenever I share anything, then
Yes.
I'll mention
Yes.
the Telegram group also that
Yeah.
this cheat sheet I will share in this channel. So join this
Yeah.
channel.
Yeah. You do that. But I think most of the people are on the other group, which has 1,200 plus numbers, and most of them are looking in that group and saying that it's not there, it's not available. But I request everyone to join in the second group also, which is 300 plus numbers, so that we can find
Who
it
will join? They can
continuously.
easily see because
Yes,
daily I
yes.
am
You
sharing.
posted in the morning, around 8:30 in the morning.
Whenever I have a time, I will share.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, because I am also working. No?
Yeah. Yes.
So anyone can share the cheat sheet.
I am sharing, but
Mhm.
one minute. Yeah.
Any other also can share like Dhaneshwar Kalam, Sagar, Nikhil, Akhil. Akhil actually newly joined. Durga.
Do you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
This is the one. This is the one, right?
Yeah, this is one. So you have to practice this all things. Okay. Get cheat sheets, how to set up, how to start project, how to make changes, basic concept, branches, merging, rebasing, undoing things, review your repo, stashing, synchronizing. Every day you are giving now half an hour, at least 1 hour, then you are not forgetting any commands. Okay, so that's why I'm sharing the cheat sheet. You can definitely use this and practice also. Okay, so it is possible to you have 2 days. I will give you one task to complete. Everyone have to practice these things. Monday I will
Hmm.
see.
Okay.
Okay, you have to make one team. In your team, 3 people, 4 people, how much people you want to add? It's open you, and you just make one group and practice together. And just like you, whatever name in your group, you just make one name on your group also in your team. Like 4 people's there, then you just name like Rafael, anything, whatever you need, rock and roll, whatever. Okay, so we can see that these groups how much things they can do. Okay,
Okay.
then we can check that you are working or not, you are studying or not, we are doing daily session, it's profitable or not. Then it's possible, so everyone make one team and they can join with the team, and every Saturday we will make some quiz type, like games type. There you have to share the screen also, you have to also share the projects also. Whatever project I will before I will share you, and I will share you the how to make this also. Okay.
Okay.
So how many people are doing this? Tell me.
Akhil.
Hmm.
Yeah, even
And
I'll do it.
Yeah.
everyone.
Even
I'll
I
do.
will.
Yeah, I'll do.
I will do.
Yeah, everyone have to do, and then we can do. Then we can proceed in next task, like next topic. So everyone make one poll which topics we can join. We can start. Docker is fine. Otherwise, anyone have a different topics also.
Docker is fine.
Docker is good. Yeah, we'll start with Docker.
Okay. After Docker, we will go in Kubernetes, right?
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay. So tomorrow I will share you the Docker related materials. Okay. Like cheat sheet and cheat sheet, and I will share you the some real time project related videos also. But you have to practice. Don't keep. It's not you have to make a pickle. Okay.
Uh,
Uh,
Actually, these real-time projects, I mean, I already attended some course outside long back, like one and a half year back. So,
okay.
but I did not practice anything at that time due to some
But
reason. So now,
without practice is totally waste. If you are doing anything in no practice, then everything you forget. If I'm asking
yeah,
right now, anyone, any project, any task, you have to share the screen and tell me how you make this. Then you can do this.
you're right. I'll
Suppose
do that.
I
I'll
will
do
tell
that.
you set the multi-tier setup. Okay, then you can do this right now.
Right. As of now, I cannot because I told you now
Yeah,
it's
that's
long back.
why you
Yeah.
need to daily practice. Otherwise, if you are reading anything, like I am also, I am a JavaScript developer. I am not a DevOps engineer. Okay, but
Mm.
if I am not practicing, then I also am forgetting anything. Okay, in our
Okay.
in our JavaScript, we have to daily practice in coding. Okay, at least in
Mm.
2 3 months, and also we have to practice some. There is some website where you have to daily 1 hour 2 hour you have to give for typing practice. That will help you if you are going any work organization. That will help you. So daily as a playing type game, there is so much website. Sometimes of website there is you have to typing. There is the game type. Car is crossing. Like who is the first. So that is also this types of games. So you have to do your three things. You have to practice. You have to also practice for typing speed also, because you are a developer, you are joining any company, always you have a laptop, you have to working in your laptop. Like you can say that is your laptop is everything. Understand? So that's why. So I think today is nothing, na?
Ram,
Hmm?
Sagar here.
Hmm.
I just had one small, quick question or like a doubt actually, which I difficulty that I'm facing in
Hmm.
Jenkins.
Hmm.
Have anyone heard about the seed jobs in Jenkins?
What?
Seed jobs in Jenkins.
I don't know, but anyone know they will help you. Okay, you can
No.
share in the Telegram link also,
Uh
because
huh.
in 4 days we are focusing only Git. So that's why they are study only Git. They are not going any other topics. So if
Acha,
you are
okay,
start
okay.
the Docker, then we will discuss about Docker, because they are daily. They have the materials of Docker. Daily they are practicing in
Okay.
Docker. Okay. So do
Okay.
one thing. You
Okay.
also make one team, and that team you can ask that if you know Jenkins, then you can tell me how to do this. Okay. So you have 2 days time. You can make your team, and Monday you are coming with team, and you also uh, take one name also. That what is your team name? Team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4. Otherwise any rock and roll type name. Whatever. It's your wish.
Okay.
Okay. And everyone in group they will practice the topic. Okay. Individually it's not possible to practice. Individually you are lazy. So that's why in group you are practicing, definitely we'll do this. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So today is
Then
not
what you're
so.
saying, that we are saying,
Hmm. Tell me.
I was saying that what you are saying is actually making sense. Like, when we are alone, we become a little bit lazy. But then, yeah, if we form a team and, work together, it becomes more beneficial. Like,
Yeah, in team you
if,
are making one topic daily. One topic you have that actually yesterday in the discussion we have a topics of Git. So we have to practice together related Gits. In alone it's not possible. In group at least four people also join, na? Then four people have different type of minds. Okay, and they are
right,
very serious
right.
if you are joining together to study. In alone, if you are study half an hour, 1 hour, after that's not possible.
True, true, very true.
So that's why today I I thought this one. When I actually today I thought this one because I called Venu. Then I thinking about this type of idea that you all everyone can do this. Okay, so how many people can do this? And choose your partner and start. Okay, and also make one group name also. Okay, so everyone can share is the number, not right now in telegram, otherwise wherever. Okay, there is the telegram, there is the name also, you can message him personally also. Okay, and you can tell him that okay, you can make one whatsapp group, and in whatsapp group daily you have to update what are you doing today, what's your topic, that everything you have to do. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Ajinkya is also not joined. If Ajinkya joined, then it's also fine because Ajinkya is also from where he's from. Ajinkya is also from North India, right? Because he can speak Hindi very well.
He's from Pune.
He's from Pune, na? Then you can add in your
Mm.
group
Oh, he's from
because
Okay.
Pune.
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
what happened actually, but actually it's not good thing also because if you have one South candidates also there, na, then you have to practice daily. You have to communicate with the English. In our North Indian, what is the problem? We are not speaking so much English, so that is also problem. So at least we have a group in one member. At least he is from Telugu and Kannada side. Then we have to talk at least English, or just because of him. Okay, and that will help you for interview also. Normally we are speaking in Hindi only, na. That is a problem for us also. Because when I'm coming to Bangalore, I have facing so much problem because I mostly many people are not speaking in Hindi, so I have to speak in English only. Okay, so try to, if you are making any group, then actually you have a one friend who is from South area. Then at least whenever you start any training, any session, then you have to speak in English only. That will helpful for you also. Okay, so I think today's session there is not so much important. So it's why I'm uploading in YouTube because there is no any QA sessions, nothing anything. Okay. So my voice. Okay.
Ram, please give us an idea, or please, I feel that it is better that, if you assign groups, so it would be good, I guess.
How can I assign?
Meaning, see, you are the, one
That's
point
up
of
to
contact.
you. That actually who is comfortable with a person. That is also depend. No,
Yeah, that is also there. Yeah.
I how
But you have taken initiation, right, Ram? So you can just tell these people will be in one group and some people will be in another group. So we'll
You,
work accordingly.
okay, fine. So do one
You
thing.
know the background of everyone or something, so it is better that if you assign it, it will be of great help.
Okay,
After
fine.
this call, we will always will be in dilemma whom to choose. So if you can tell who will be in your group, it will be more useful to us also.
It's also most important thing that who is comfortable with which person. That is most important thing that I don't know. Like
Yeah, yeah.
Venu, I know Venu is comfortable with Monia. Okay, that I'm feeling. But other actually Ajinkya also good. My voice already coming my voice.
It's okay, I'm okay, fine with anyone. I don't have.
So first you try, otherwise you can message me. I will make. Okay. But how can we do this?
So put one
You see,
task.
no,
So
no.
that's why those who are completing by Monday, you just put it in groups.
What? Tell me once again.
Give us a small task. Those who are completing by Monday,
Already
you
given
just
a
make.
task. I will share you once again this task. Join
Okay.
everyone channel. The related task how to make. I will share you one video also. Okay. There is simple task. Okay. You have to make Docker image and deploy in EC2. Okay. Monia
Okay.
already did this, so she have to do did again this one same thing, and after that we can do this. How can we do? Okay.
Is it something like we can do, like depending on the your work experience or something, like if a person is just a fresher, so we can have a
Listen,
freshers
you
group
have to
or
take that person. You have to take the fresher person also. If you don't know
yeah, yeah,
anything,
yeah.
you have to teach
I'm
him
just
also.
true. That is true. And I'm just saying, like we can have some groups like that based on the work experience,
There is
and
the
then
actually there is the no competition that like you have your
yeah,
team. You need a good candidate, then you can win. That's not a
no.
thing. Hmm.
Yeah, that is there. And then I was just coming up with some ideas, like if everyone has got some ideas, please come up and share.
Mm-hmm. So anyone have any other ideas? How can we do this? Then we can tell. Okay. How can we make the team? And
No, actually, as someone just said, um, the task which you are given. So, who will be completing those tasks? So you can, you can treat them as like active persons in the group, and you can club as four. Four as you told. Okay.
no, you have to
So
make like
that.
four people. So you are in group. So you have to make your WhatsApp group. Okay. Uh, I'm not available in this group. You are only.
And that is what I'm telling you. Like whoever complete the task by Monday or whatever the given time span.
So you
So you
have two
can.
days. You have to complete this task, and you have to show me the video recording also you have to do, and you have to show. And after that, I am telling you that that video you have to share the in mail ID also. Okay, because it is good if you are giving interview because it's practicing yourself also.
Yeah, sure.
It's don't think that you are pass or fail.
What if everybody done the task in time? That is not the right thing. I
No,
mean,
you see, everybody when everybody completes the task, everyone can will be divided into four
yeah.
groups, and they will be right.
Then why you wait for that time? Just now can we do that, right?
No, most of the people, like see, as Raj, I think, as he's saying that many are, many of the people in the team in the group are inactive. So, like, if someone doesn't complete the task, still they come. They'll get motivated by seeing the other people and like in the teams, and
Right now
even
we
they
have,
wanted to join.
yeah, okay, fine. Task is fine, right? No problem for. But right now, what is the problem? To disintegrate the persons is the problem, right? So on
Nothing
work
like that.
place,
Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay with
yeah,
like both the options.
yeah. Okay.
Nothing
Here
like
is the
that.
problem is disintegration, right? So
No, it's not like I mean, what my intention is like concentration. Like many people may skip the task, and you see even after I mean making a group, like you see, as you told, if we can do now, what if out of 4 members, what if one or two persons are not responding, and
yeah,
rest of the two will be I mean struggling to add two more people, right? So.
true, true.
Uh,
Mm,
did you get me, bro?
yeah, true. That is right. But yeah, the problem is disintegration. So based on which we have to disintegrate is the uh,
Fine, fine. Okay, let's go with your option itself.
not my option. I don't have any option right now. But based on the task, if everybody done the task, again the problem arises. So this is not the solution which I'm thinking right now. So maybe some other solution would be fine. If any of the solution is not there, this would be the fine for me. I don't have any option.
Might be we are like 11 members, Vishnu. So if every 11 members were doing the task, means we can divide our team into two teams, like five members. 11 means Ram is there, so we can divide 19 members. Six members means we can divide it into three groups. So we can get the task every week or day, a daily basis. So we can work like that also, right?
Yeah.
So apart from this 19 members, there won't be any chance for the other people for get into our team.
Maybe.
I guess in one group we can have 8 people or 7 people also. Like we can divide the only three. We can divide this 19 people into 3 groups. So 7 is a good count in each group.
But Ajinkya, who is joining regularly, but today he has not joined, right? Some persons who join regularly, but today they were not joined. So if they join tomorrow, they will add, I think.
Yeah, Ram will take care of that. So he will be taking care of whom to add in the regular
Oh,
candidates.
okay,
Yeah, then
fine.
Ram can actually assign that person whichever group he feels like he needs to assign. He can assign it. That's a good one. Yeah.
True, okay. I'm okay with any type of solution. I don't have any problem.
As of now, we have this solution only. In coming times, we have. If you have any solution, you can tell us, or you can discuss with Ram. We can work it out.
Okay, do one thing. I will share the task, and I think most of candidates, you have my number, right?
Ram, can you message it in G group now, like in Telegram or in chat session?
In Telegram and channel already daily I'm messaging the materials, so that is me only. Okay, so you can message me. After that, I will talk to them who is comfortable with that person. Then I will tell him to you can make this type of group. Okay, understand? So I think everyone you have my number, so you can message me. And task I will share once again. Related video also I will share again.
Okay.
And you have 2 days time also. And not for 2-3 peoples. How many candidates joined today? Everyone have to make this. Not a single person. Everyone. Okay.
Sure, Ram.
Yeah. Manoj, Sudeep, and also how many peoples? One by one I will ask him. 3-4 days continuously they are only listening. We are doing one thing, we will remove them. Okay. So because you are joining here to clear your interview for placement, so at least you have to speak, you have to share the screen, and at least you have to show what you know. Because when you are joining any company, you have to give the presentation also. They are giving some task related, you have to show how to make. Sometimes what happening that you are joining any company, The client is showing some project and your colleague also don't know how to help you, but at least you have a basic skills how to do this, then you can also give good presentation. So that is the platform you have to give the presentation also, and you have to share the KT also. That will help you your job also. In future you are doing any conference meeting, you can manage this thing. So I'm telling how many people join today. Everyone have to complete the task, and everyone have to try to share the screen and explain each and everything. Okay, so however you are joining any interview, you make this task, then you at least you can share the screen and you can tell, sir, these things I can make this one, I'm using this technology. Okay, like this I am doing. Okay, so everything you can share. Are you getting my
Okay.
point?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes.
So you are making, actually I'm sharing real time projects also. There is actually 20 real time projects, but I'm sending 14 only. But still now no anyone completed. I think one two may be completed, but no anyone. So that's why. So if you need real time already in channel, you have to search and find. Okay, before 3 4 days again I shared with the one notepad. Okay, there is the PDF notes also for Kubernetes. You can search this also. Okay, and everyone messaging in the group Azure. Okay, fine. After 2 days, I will share you the Azure material also, related projects, related notes. But you have to practice. It's up on you. Okay, so I will share you once again the task related video. Everyone have to complete the task. Okay, and after that I will decide uh, who is making one group. Okay, uh, okay. Ajinkya, if tomorrow join, then I will decide also. Right now, I will share the task. You have to complete the task. You have 2 days. Okay. If you are facing any problem, there is the Telegram group is there. Okay. You can share the screenshot. Definitely, anyone will help you. Who will help you? You just talk with him. Understand?
Okay, Ram.
Hmm. So everything you have. You have a group also. You have a material also. You just have to study only. Okay. Everything I provide you in the group, videos, everything I will give you. Recordings also in YouTube, you can go into check out. You just have to give the efforts, then you can do anything. If you are not giving any efforts, no one can teach you, no one can give you any knowledge. It's only up on you. So that's why I have a thing that if you are making one particular group, okay, and Yas is also very talented, and Yas is actually from he is also from North India, Rajasthan. So you can also make with team him also. Okay, so fine. And yes, you also see the cheat sheet. Hello.
Which, sorry, Ram, I was, joined late, so I don't know, like,
Not a
Git sheet.
late joining. I already shared in the Telegram cheat
Yeah.
sheet.
Okay, okay. Yes,
Uh,
I saw the commands. Okay.
okay. So I am planning to making group a team. Okay. So which candidate comfortable with someone, they will make what group, and the group you can give some name also. Then I will call the group name, not a particular person. I will tell only the group name, that this team whatever they are doing. Okay, fine.
Yeah, fine.
Hmm. Anyone have any question? Okay, fine. Do one thing. I will ask you some question. I will check Git related questions. I will ask. Okay. Can you share anyone share the screen, and you have to write 5 Git commands. Okay. Anyone have to share the screen, and you have to at least make, you can see the cheat sheets also, and you can start right now. in front of me, a live session. I know after going home you are not practicing, so right now you have to do this. Okay, project setup, everything. There is that only cheat sheet in you have. You can use the cheat sheet and you can make right now. Okay, everyone silent.
Yeah, yeah, Ram.
Okay, you already doing. I'm asking for another person also. You already showing so much time screen. You are doing so much things. You are very working also hard. I'm asking these guys also. They also have to do not. They also working anywhere.
So basically, Ram, you are telling that we should run the get commands on that. We
You
create a
have to
EC.
live to do this. You have to make AWS instance. After that, you have to
Okay.
this git commands you have to use
Okay.
all
Okay.
commands, because right now I'm telling that you have to practice. Definitely tomorrow also you are not practicing. Tomorrow is Saturday. Okay, going for party, anything, I don't know. So that's why you have to practice right now. Okay, and you have to show the candidates also that how you are practicing, and everyone help too. If we are facing any problem and everyone helping you, don't feel that I'm something wrong. That is the practice session. You have to practice only. Okay. Okay, all good.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
So who want to share the screen? Tell me first.
Yeah, I'm sharing the screen.
Okay.
But मोबाइल नहीं देखना ले मोबाइल मोबाइल ले ले
You can open the cheat sheet also.
yeah, actually it's there in my mobile.
Mm-hmm.
Starting with the first command, git
Yeah.
config label user.take. Initializing the entity. And read code.
Mm.
Open the suppose this one.
So anyone can tell what she doing? Everyone.
She's cloning the Git repository.
Okay. She's the cloning. After first, she is doing that git config. What is the why she do this? What is the uses of git config?
it is always better to register, matlab do the, add the username and email user
Okay,
thing.
no problem. Okay, and Git init.
Git init is basically to activate the working directory, right? Or something.
Yeah. Yes. Also, you can also
Written
explain
is correct.
Git
everyone.
init,
Repository.
git init,
I'm sorry.
Create a new repository. Initiation.
To create a repository. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
create workspace in our local
Local
machine.
local repository it is.
Hmm, fine. You have also your cheat sheet. You can also see. Okay. Open your cheat sheet in your laptop and see. Let's see how much commands we can cover in this session.
I'm going to add new file. Get started.
That's why in morning I told messaging that I will make one group so everyone join today.
Online. Get
Hmm.
if I want to
No.
launch.
Any other person also have to tell that what she doing. Like Shiva also you have to tell. All person you have to tell that how many candidates are joined today. Yes. Yes. Also know everything about related kits
What
because
was this thing? What was this thing? What just come up now? Which
This
command was it?
this is a git log where we can see our the commit what we have done and the ID of it. The
Okay, okay.
status of it. If we are adding or deleting or yeah, you can see the config merge and all. So all the details we can get it from this command.
yeah.
Can anyone help me how to get it out from here? I sometimes I used to press Control X, Control C, then it works for me.
Control C, Control Z, D, I.
Control Z,
Control D.
Control D. Okay.
Control D should work. Yeah.
Oh, I'm trying. This is Jackson.
Is this VI editor?
It's not a VI editor.
It's a git bash.
Okay.
Press,
Okay.
maybe it will work.
Control Z, Control C is not working.
No. Sometimes, yeah, it works. If I want to create a branch and to give a big branch, if I want to see a branch over there, here the list of the branch and the current branch is my branch.
Yes.
If I want to create a new branch, then I can say a branch and my branch name. If I want to move out to a particular branch, then hit checkout. Yes. Set. Now I'm in the master branch, and I want to see the list of
Hmm.
files we can see over here. Now suppose if I want to uh, and here if I want to make any uh, directory, suppose and
Can you please increase the format, like
Font size.
format.
yeah, the
Okay.
font size, yeah, control plus.
Yeah, I am doing. One second. Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah. Fine, fine.
Yeah, better.
So starting from again, I'm telling. First of all, I have git config the global username where I have given my the Venu Kumari. So Venu Kumari, the main purpose of here that using global username as Venu Kumari. So whenever you will do some commit changes, then you'll run the command over here. Your name will be reflecting uh, that who has done the changes and all.
Okay.
So now over here. And the next thing, the git init is to initialize our git repository.
Yes.
Then I have cloned this URL from the remote, that is from the GitHub. So suppose many developers, they will be doing their work, and at the end of the when they are pushing, so it will be stored in that our hub repository. So if you want to pull that code, and if you want in our local and you want to do some changes over there, so first of all we need to clone, and we have to keep it our in the local repository. So that is the thing I have done over here. Git clone GitHub. So this is whatever the files which is present over here. So it will be cloning and it will storing in our local repository. After that. I have checked the status of it. In the status, we can see that the branches and whatever the modifications we can see over there. Suppose I have deleted this one, sample text and all this thing. So next, yeah, git add dot. So git add dot, what it will do, whatever the changes you have done. So if we run this command git add dot, so it will be adding all those things. And
Okay.
yeah, then I have committed. I have committed it. So once the commit is done, then I am checking about the status, and then I am checking about the log. Here from here you can see the commit ID. Mm, okay. And after that, yeah, I have created a. I want to check on which branch I am, so I am running the command as a git branch, and I am in currently it's showing as in my branch, and in I try to create a new branch venue, and then after that, yeah, I check out to the master. I switch to the branch master, and I have seen that whatever the files are present inside this master. So you can see that it's present as a git readme hello world sample text sample 3. All these are present under my master branch. Then I have checked out to the other branch, and I have created directory. In that directory, that ls, I was checking that how many files are present over there. So these are the things.
Yes. Yeah. Anyone have any doubts? If you have doubts, then you can open the cheat sheet and you can see.
Yeah, I have one doubt. Hello?
Sir, git add command also used to push our data from local area to local area to staging area. Na?
Can you speak loudly?
Git add command used for push our data local space to staging area. Na?
Yeah, that is right. From it goes from local area to staging area. With that.
Also, if we use add command, our file will be tracked.
Azar, speak a bit loud. It's difficult to hear.
Your
Hello,
voice is very down.
can
थोड़ा
you?
जोर से बोलो, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो.
आ रहा है अभी आवाज?
हाँ अभी आ रहा है आवाज. थोड़ा
अभी
खा के
थोड़ा सा.
बोलो.
Okay, okay. Sir, git add command also used to track our
नहीं
file,
नहीं
na?
खाना नहीं खाया.
I'm audible.
Yes, now audible.
अभी से आ रहा है. Yeah.
I'm correct.
Yeah. Now you can tell. बोलने बोला तो म्यूट हो गया.
Sorry sir, क्या बोले आप?
Okay, speak. Whatever your question, you can ask.
Sir,
Do one
मतलब
thing. If you have a speaker problem, you can also paste in the chat section. Okay. Hello.
yes
You
sir.
can, yeah, you can post in the chat section whatever you have a question. I think you have a mic problem, that's why you can't speak. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can paste in the chat section whatever you have a question.
Fine. So here I have run this command git checkout minus "p" and my branch name. So this is what it will do. It will be checking out to the new branch. Means the branch, it will be created and simultaneously it will be switched to the new branch. The next command, yeah, the git branch minus "d". So it will be the deleting the branch. And the git tag. So we are providing a tag name to step to the current commit. So I'm trying to merge. Git checkout. Okay.
What is a git tag merged?
Yeah, that is the command to tag to the current commit. Whatever the current commit, the new version we are releasing, right? So in that, if we want to give a tag, we can give with a new name. That the tag git tag and it's a tag name.
Acha, okay.
So this is what, and if I want to merge to the master branch, so I need to check out the master, git checkout master. Master only. I'm in the master only. Okay, if I'm the master, fine. Then I have to merge. So we have to run the command git merge and the changes to AKS, right? So here, what I did is that I was trying to merge. So I created a new branch AKS. In AKS, I have given a file, created a new file. After that, I want to push those changes to my master branch.
Okay.
So for that, first of all, in which branch you want to do the changes, that need to check out. So I want to do the changes to the master. So I just gave a command git checkout master. Once you are in the master branch, then next command we have to give git merge, means on which branch you have done the changes and which branch you want to push. So we are giving git merge AKS. This AKS branch I want to push to the master. So I have given the git merge AKS. So here we can see the conflict. This is the what? This is the yeah. So these issues we need to resolve this conflict. So we need to check over there why this conflict has been done. So we can check here the test code deleted in the A case and modified in the head. One second, guys.
So everyone here, you understand what she doing? Okay. So that's also you have to do also same thing for practicing. Okay.
So let me, yeah, this conflict we need to check and we have to modify. Suppose the test code is deleted in the A case. So let me show. Yes. It's there. Test code is there. Wasn't it a test code? It's the conflict and the commit the result. Check out the master. And the master is get into the LS. Check out. Resolve it and it's supposed to need to merge. Okay, unless and until we don't resolve this issue, we are not able to switch to this branch.
But Venu, sorry to interrupt. Conflict happens when we are, changing the same file. Like, if you are sitting there and you're doing some changes to that particular file, and if I am sitting over here and I'm doing changes to that particular file, that particular line, it's only then the conflict happens, right? Now in this scenario, it is not happening. It is something different. Like, why is this conflict come? That's a question mark. Like, I don't know.
Something it's written the version head of the test code left in the queue automatically merged failed. Yeah, the conflict arises when we have a same file and we do the modifications on that file.
In this case, we have to have a talk with a technical, like with a what?
Someone experienced one they can tell.
We know just do vi test for. Enter.
Something I have added.
Can you do some changes here and then do save and run send one again?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Is test for file is available in both branches, master as well as AK? Yes.
Yeah. In the master, we have seen this is master branch, and we have seen that test code is present. And when I'm trying to check in the AKS, it's not allowing me to check out. It's saying that you need to resolve your current index first, then only you can use.
Yeah. Can you try again? Do merge, git merge AKS.
Okay.
if we want to come out of it,
Now run just git add
Okay,
dot
git add or remove file. Yeah.
git
Yeah, add commit.
then do commit and then do merge. It will.
if we want to come out of the situation, we can do git abort, right? And come out of that situation, something like that.
Now do commit and then do merge.
Okay. It's already up to date. You can check the status. Git status. Nothing to commit. So it got merged. If I want to check the changes in the master, maybe I'm in the master only. Yes. If I check the VI test 4, you can see the changes. So whatever the changes we have done on the other branch, it's getting reflected in the master branch. What you're telling git abort, right? This command.
No, actually, this command helps us. Whenever
If we are stuck, okay.
Yeah, whenever we are stuck in such a situation and we want to come out of it, we do this command.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then some other commands. Merging this button, then merge and square all command into one new commit. I don't know about this command. Git merge squares A. Anyone knows then this command? Typing git different hyphen squares. Anyone can explain this command?
You can any changes. First you add command and commit compulsory. After that you can do that.
Okay. I'm starting with the rebasing. What I understood that the rebasing also it's the same thing what we do for the merging. Both are same. Only the difference is that in merging, when new commit ID will be created, but in rebasing, it will be not creating a new commit ID. If anyone wants to add anything else.
In rebasing, basically you are changing your commit history. You can merge two commits and you can edit any messages and content as well. For that you need to run like a git rebase -i for interactive mode.
Okay, interactive mode. So let me quick check out to the master. I'm in the master branch. So let me replace. Create a new branch. Git checkout. I'm star branch and I'm trying to unify. Okay. Then if I want to database, let me check out to master branch. Master, and I want to rebase. Get rebase. Get rebase, and my name is star. Okay, I need to add, right? Git add. Add on. Okay. Let me commit it. Awesome. This one changed. Okay. Now let me replace. It is much directory and I want if you are in the middle of the start this time need to replace and what skip it start this place. 30% of the because you still have something that in here. Okay, let me check this first. Yes, long online it got committed. You can see the commit ID. This is the second commit. Control C, it's not working. Control. Replace. Can anyone look into it? So did you get? I ran the command merge. Merge is working. Place. Pick the same. Current branch master is up to date. I think it's worked, right? Git rebase is working. Hello?
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, working.
More are there. Can we stop here or shall I continue? Now we are done with the till rebasing. Ram, actually, I am continuing with that this real-time projects also. So I am stuck in. The job is getting failed for me, so I'm stuck over here. Simultaneously, I'm trying to complete this project. So if anyone can help me out in this one, my job is getting failed. Any idea on this? Anyone can tell? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm on this continuous integration using Jenkins. Yeah, I have completed till 5 years. I've completed till 5. But the thing is that I'm just watching the video and implementing. So when I'm trying closing my eyes and I want to recall what I have learned, so it's very difficult to fetch all these things.
No problem. But at least you are practicing now. That's also helping. At least you know you have a
Yeah,
little
see,
bit knowledge that what you are doing in
yeah,
every
yeah, yeah.
process.
Yeah, see, I don't know about this Sonar Cube and Nexus, but I was able to make them to run on the browser.
Yeah, at least you are practicing
So
that you know
every
that.
day, yeah. So I'm happy from inside that I'm learning something, but if I'm stuck, then I feel very bad at how to
No
get out from
problem.
that.
No problem. At least you are practicing now. Daily you can share that also in the Telegram also, and
Okay, okay.
as you can share me also. I will ask anyone. He will help you. Okay.
Fine, fine, fine.
And do one thing today. You are make one group with Monia. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Hmm. Monia is there or
Yeah,
not?
today morning only I discussed with her. I had a word with her.
Okay, already talked to her,
Already.
na?
Yeah.
She is not there, I think.
Okay, might be she
Yeah.
left.
No, she is there. She is muted, but.
Oh, okay.
Venu,
Yeah.
you have you written some this some script for this declarative?
See, in these videos now, they have given a link. So in that link, in the GitHub, they have written the script over there. Let me show you.
Acha, okay, so you
So in this, they have a setting. Let me open and show you. So what they are doing, they are fetching directly from the Git.
And you can
okay.
download
So
this and you
basically,
can use this.
See,
okay.
it is there in their GitHub. So if you want to fetch it in your local, so you need to run the command git clone and their URL. So once you clone it, then all these things will come into your local. After that, in Sublime Text Editor, you can open it. So this is what I have done from the initial step. And they have the user data over here. So when you launch the instance, now we get an option for the user data. So this one. So this one, what we used to do after launching it, any server we used to manually install the JDK or Jenkins or Maven. But they have already done the setup. We need to link with it, and it will run automatically. No need to do it manually. After Yes.
manually.
So the jobs also we need to, after doing all the setup and all in the Jenkins, we need to give all the details. So So that is what I have done, but I am facing my job is getting failed. I tried twice, it's getting failed.
Okay, we will check what's your problem.
Hello?
So this is in the Jenkins. We can give the URL over here, the Git URL, and what? Yeah, this build. I'm using work top level. It's an interesting if anything, if it's running smoothly, then it's interesting. But if we are stuck somewhere, then it will show the stars.
True.
Yeah.
But here,
to complete the 5 projects.
So did you find exactly where the error is like?
Yeah. The error where I anchored it is, I'll show you in the Jenkins. You can go to this, and if you click on it, you can have your build history, console output. So what it is telling is that the build is getting failed. Is okay. I'm not able to identify where it is getting failed. Here it's the last step is saying that invoke top level is build failed.
Hello. Can you hear me?
So I'm not able to understand this one.
have you downloaded the plugins for Maven?
Yes. That is done.
Just scroll up. 1 minute. Jenkins subscribe updated with many steps. Okay. Changing capacity. Very failures. Let's check this. Is it over here? Because if you see up, no credentials specified over here. Is it? If you see the 4th line or something, 5th line, we need to
No credentials specified.
Specified, yeah. Can that be a problem?
I really don't have an idea because whatever they are telling in this video, now I'm just blindly following on this. So never I encountered the credentials.
Try giving the credentials also and
what credentials? Yeah. So tell me. I am going to manage Jenkins, and
you have
to, right. Manage credentials.
See, this is one way we can do over here. Or second thing is you can go to your console output, configure tabs. No, don't come out of this. Go to your dashboard. Go to your dashboard.
Okay.
Go to your this build one. That's a file. That's a job, right?
Build one. Okay.
Yeah. Just
yes.
Configure. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
And go down. This is your Git URL, right? Tap.
No, this is not my Git URL.
Acha, so you have just copy paste that URL to this. You have not done any Git clone or a Git fork or something.
No.
Okay.
Because in that video they have mentioned clearly.
Okay.
You can use this URL. It's publicly you can use it.
Acha, okay. They have mentioned it. Okay, then okay. No, then normally then this would be a different way. I also need to check that video.
Okay. And once again, what does this mean? They invoke top level Maven target and the goal. So I'm getting confused. In this goal means this name we are providing from our own, or what is it? Make any sense?
Basic steps. Actually,
Because if
top level
yeah,
Maven targets. It's basically if we are using Maven, we use this
okay.
particular add build step, right?
Uh-huh. So this goal signifies what?
See,
Any idea?
it is actually in Maven. It is called as goals. Like you can do a lot of things in Maven. Like
It's predefined means these goals are whatever the goals are there. You're telling it's a predefined one. It's defined, or we can give our own goal name.
no, goals are predefined already in Maven. But here
Okay.
now in this case, yeah,
Hmm.
someone is talking. In this case now we need to check because goals there are Maven can do if you type mbn hyphen help or
Hmm.
something you will get there's a list of things that what Maven can do. It is called as
Okay.
goals.
Okay. Okay.
And this one step we need to see. I need to check the video probably.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine.
But yeah, this is 100% sure that if you get a chance, just type in Maven mbn hyphen help, you will be able to see the goals. Like there is a list of it is not specifying goals, but it says like there are a lot of things. I need to check my
Where to type? Can you tell me where to type?
in EC2 instance or any project whichever you're doing, and if you have if it's a Maven based project, you will have a
Okay.
POM file in it, pom.xml file. So
Yeah, POM file is there.
yeah, so basically
Oh,
that's how you can identify that's a Maven based project. And whenever we put Maven compile or
okay.
Maven thing, so we need to use uh, Maven hyphen help. I'll tell you 1 minute. I need to check my notes. Right, guys? Something ऐसा ही है कुछ.
हाँ जी, जैसे like Maven a few commands like Maven build, it will build, it will compile. Like Maven test, it will compile and do manual testing. Like Maven archive, MVN archive, it will do compile, test, and then archive the .var or zar file. You can go to working directory where you can see that whether build is successfully or not.
Yeah, hi. Now able to hear me?
Yeah,
Is this Nikhil?
Can you go to working directory?
Maven goals means Maven install clean that both you.
Click on dashboard.
Okay.
There is working directory. You need to search. Click on build. Build one.
The job you are telling, or
yeah, where jobs and build are stored.
This one, right?
That particular location.
Build one. Go to your build one.
Okay.
And then go to workspace.
Workspace.
Here you will get those files which are available in your repo.
Okay, these all are there, right?
Means you already cloned the repository or remote to your Ansible machine. Now you are trying to build this code. Once it gets successfully built, you will get one folder which name is target. Right now, I think target is not there.
Target is not there. So you're telling that once the build is completed, then only I can see, right?
Yeah, then target folder will be there.
But it's getting failed, not the job is getting failed.
You can run one more command, mvn hyphen.
Where in the putty, right?
In configuration steps. Top level Maven.
Yeah, right. Configure. Here I need to go.
Yeah.
Configure. Where, tell me.
Yeah, install, just remove this install hyphen
Okay.
skip test.
Uh-huh.
Run mvn, only run package.
Run package, huh?
Remove all the things, only write package.
All the things in
Package, yeah.
Okay.
Now save and run this job. Build again. Build now.
Okay.
Yeah, once try it clean, Maven clean.
Where?
Maven clean, install package. These three things use that. Yes, definitely working. I think.
Maven?
Yeah, first you run Maven clean.
Clean.
Yeah, right?
Install, after install, and the package, the last one. These three things try it.
Okay. This one, Maven clean, right?
Yeah, Maven clean.
Right now? I need to give space.
Clean, comma, package. You need to remove Maven as well.
Package,
Just
package
write
and
clean
install.
package or install whatever the command.
Package also use that.
You can
Shall I
remove
remove?
Maven. Yeah.
Maven shall removing.
Just write clean and package.
Comma I've given. Do I need to give space? Okay.
Yes.
Will it work?
Yeah,
Is it right? Is it right?
Yeah, it's right. And these are two commands which will run in sequence. First, it will clean the working directory, then it will try to build and package your jar file. Or you can run the command which you earlier written, install something. After clean, you can write that command as well.
Which command? This one, huh? This command you're telling or what? I have clean and that afterwards. Next
clean,
what I have to do?
Clean, comma, install, which you already mentioned earlier.
Clean, comma, package I have run. Now what should I do?
No, earlier already mentioned one command, na?
Clean
From
package.
videos. In video. Something
okay,
like
okay.
install.
De-escape. Okay, got it. I'm trying to understand what is this. I think explain means what we did. Just can you please
Actually,
explain?
what there are few commands of the Maven.
Okay.
Like if you run Maven build, what it will do? Like you have your Java code in your repo. It will first your Jenkins job pull clone that code into your Jenkins machine. Then MVN will compile that code with the command that is MVN build. Okay. Next, what it will do? You can write one more command like Maven test. It will do some test, means some test case already defined in the code that it will test. After then, you will mention like there is a command MVN package. What it will do? Whatever the build it creates, it will zip that file into the jar file. Means you will get one jar file, and that jar file you will push towards any like Docker hub or something like that.
Okay.
Where you will store your binary image.
Okay.
Like JBoss and other repository. Artifactory. Basically, it's called Artifactory.
So basically, if you see that it shows the goals in that particular thing, so the entire thing it can do Maven. So that is the goal.
Okay.
Yes.
Just write clean before install. Clean comma.
I think I mean, these Maven lifecycle commands may not see, they are not working perfectly, and my suggestion would be like it might be a weird thing, but if we can come from I mean go back to Venukumar
Yes,
voice
yes.
audio,
Yeah.
go back to like one video I mean, you can go back to one video back, and if you come from there, you please delete this build and okay, delete that build and start doing the same build once again by watching the video, so that
Okay.
you and everyone, I mean, even still even
Yeah.
I think I've done up till third video, but I haven't.
Okay.
Okay, so I mean, I believe that uh, it is helpful if we can delete that particular bill and come again from the previous video, so that we can understand where
Okay.
we are, where the I mean, issue is actually.
Or you
Okay.
can do one more thing.
Fine.
Just log in into your Jenkins server and just check Maven version. If is it available, then run any Maven command. If it will work, then same command you can run from Jenkins configuration.
Okay. Let me try.
Yeah.
Let me try from my end. Otherwise, again, I will come tomorrow and I will put all these things in front of you.
Yeah, that would be great, good actually, because you see, if we, I mean, if we, even though if we keep on doing this for half an hour, or yeah,
Yeah, my battery is, yes.
Hello. Also check the Java version as well. Hello.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
okay guys, if Raj can close the meeting. Hello. Yeah, Raj, can we close it, or we're gonna do? I mean, yeah, sure.
Yes, it will be helpful for everyone.
And remember, you have to make the groups, okay? And all have to make one team, and you can start practice.
Sure.
And you can also take someone name also. You can use your DevOps tools name also, whatever you need. It's up on you. Okay, so fine, I will share. And good night. It almost so much late night. Okay.
Good night, Raj. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good night,
Thank you.
everyone. Good night.
Good night. Okay. Thank
Good
you.
night, guys.